Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.